If you trade with $100 account and below, make sure you do not skip this video. It was made especially for you. So last week, midpoint within the week, I decided to just fund a $100 account and then embark on an exercise which is simply geared towards trading it as if that is simply all I had, to equip you with a solid blueprint which you can follow. So with this, you realize that you also find a way you'll be able to make regular withdrawals from your relatively small trading account. Because as I've said in so many of my videos, it's never too late to start trading. So if you like how that sounds, you know what to do. All I want from you is simply to just like this video. Also hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of my YouTube contents. So the very first point I want you guys to understand is that it is extremely way more important to actually trade with a small live account than it is to trade with a huge demo account. Like I've said all the time, your demo account does not affect your psychology. It does not test you in any way because you literally know that it is not real money. So regardless of what the market is doing, you can handle all the drawdowns. And what you also want is to have a broker that literally actually allows you to trade with a small account. If you've watched so many of my videos, you normally see me recommend excellence that if you want the best withdrawal and then deposit process, a broker that allows you to take advantage of spread, a broker that allows you to take advantage of leverage, they literally allow you to deposit with about $10 depending on the account balance. But you can literally start trading with $10 with this particular broker. So you simply just take a pause, jump straight to the description and then create your account on there. The next thing you want to also do is you want to also focus on a lower time frame, focusing on a lot more day trading setups, going to the lower time frame. So if you look at my charts, you realize that so many of my trades for the past 3 to 4 months have been on a lower time frame. I've caught so many day trades on them. I've also caught some swing trades, but majority and overwhelming majority has been with day trades. I want to take you back to some of the trades I took. So I want to take you to, like I said, let's start from at least last week Thursday. I caught some beautiful buys on gold. These buys were simply with support. Once you focus on the lower time frame, you also want to learn how to take early profits because your account is relatively small, so you want to have a target. So what I was doing for this particular account is that I was simply targeting at the very least $10 in a day. So maximum $15, minimum $10. That was literally the profit I was targeting. So with a simple lot size I was using, normally if I'm able to hit my target $10 to $15, I simply just close the trade and I come back and look for another setup the next day. So 15 minutes time frame. So on Thursday morning, you literally see market on a support here. On the Friday, it was actually here very early in the morning. What I used to take this particular trade was also Fibonacci. So as you can clearly see, all my setups are day trading setups because I'm taking them on a lower time frame. So clearly on the Fibonacci, you can see my key levels, my 50%, 61.8, 78.6. Also having my confirmation, which is my morning star on the 78.6%. So what do I do next? I simply now just bring my risk to reward. Stop loss right at the bottom. Even if I place it all the way down here, it's still 20 pips. So stop loss right at the bottom of the wick, about 15 pips. Like I said, all I was targeting was 20 to 30 pips. So 20 to 30 pips, let me see, just 40 pips somewhere here. Market moved. The moment I made that money, actually closed it. Like I literally said, I am just looking for short-term day trades. I think the next day I already gotten about $40 on this particular setup. Now fast forward towards Monday. So it was just within 5 days. Fast forward to Monday. Now let's go to Monday. And all these trades, you can attest to them because we literally took them in the channel as well. Fast forward to Monday, we also had some beautiful buys on this same key level. Support, if you've learned my support and resistance strategy, you can clearly see that break and retest over here, resistance 10 support. So we're literally using the structure. So long position in here, stop loss right at the bottom of the range. Same principles over and over again. You can see that this one I was risking about 30 pips on it, so meaning that my stop loss was about $15. Take profit as well. Let's say I'm targeting this price here, simply this price here. Like I said, because I was looking for my $10 to $15, which was my 20 to 30 pips, the moment I made that, I was even out of the position before I even got here. So I'm always chasing realistic target. I'm always chasing realistic trades. When I took my profits, I also got in again the moment I got this pullback here. If you've watched any of my trend continuation strategies, you realize that I really like pullbacks a lot. We ended up getting a higher low over here. So right at the higher low, what did we also end up getting? A bullish engulfing. At the same time, this higher low also ended up being another key Fibonacci level. As you can clearly see, that was a 61.8%, that key level. So getting a confirmation on this one as well. You jump in here, stop loss right at the bottom of the range. So you can see the principles, the same principles, practicing exactly what I preach. With this one as well, simply targeting this price. I made about $15 on it. Then I was out. So that was literally on Monday. On Tuesday, we also have some beautiful sells on it. So just like we use the pullback strategy to take some buys on here, you can clearly see we could also easily use the pullback to also take some beautiful sells on here as well. So drop, pullback, drop, pullback, drop. The next pullback here was when I re-entered entry price in here clearly as well. So over here we have the entry price in here, we are selling. So entry price here, you can see was clearly after the evening star here. Stop loss right on top of the range. Stop loss right on top of the range up here. Then we are simply targeting this support, which was also almost 100 pips. We made another 100 pips in the VIP as well. I still have my targets. I'm only targeting $10 to $15, $10 to $15, at least $10, at the very most $15. So the moment I hit that target as well with my 0.05 lot size, it means that maximum 30 pips, I was also out of this particular position. Then we fast forward to Wednesday, which was the very final trade, which took me past the mark because I was literally targeting to just double the account. I was literally targeting to just get the account from $100 to $200, and I can simply just process a withdrawal, making it a full week. So what I always advise is either you're making daily withdrawals from your trades, or you are literally waiting for the whole week, then you can make a withdrawal from there. That's if you have the discipline to not switch your trading style, to not switch or increase your lot size. If you have the discipline to maintain the same course, to maintain composure on the market, you can also go ahead and do the same thing for yourself as well. But if you know you do not have the discipline, when you trade and you make your profit, simply just withdraw into your bank account, your mobile wallet or whatever, or create another live account and then simply just push those funds in there. By the time you realize you've grown another separate account, you can also use for other expenses as well. Wednesday as well, which was yesterday, you can also clearly see we took some extra buys on it as well over here. So this one was with simply my very famous break and retest strategy as well. So we saw this minor resistance in here. Once the market broke out of it, we're waiting for it to get here so we could make decisions whether we could sell or not. I realized that the market actually didn't get to this particular resistance. It actually pulled back and came back to retest on that particular previous resistance. Once it gave us a retest, what happened? It pulled back strongly, ended up giving us this beautiful morning star here. Once we got this particular morning star, you know what to do. Entry price, the stop loss was right at the bottom of the range, about 26 pips, 25 pips on this, and then you are simply targeting this resistance. You are either targeting this one or the major one over here. Then 50 pips, we smashed it, hit our target. Now the account is about $204. So one thing I also want you guys to understand is that I did not chase any unnecessary setups. All the trades I literally took in here are trades you realize I've taken before. This is how I normally trade when I'm looking for simple day trading setups. I stuck to all the strategies I used. I stuck to my trading plan, and there was no difficulties in here because I was also simply looking for early profits. Some key takeaways today: no unnecessary setups, no greed, stuck to the lower time frame. I took early profits. Then the very last one is that you should also be realistic with your goals. Try to at least make some regular profits on them, withdraw some, then now you can start thinking of over leveraging and then going crazy on the market. Today's video truly explains to you that there's a simple way you can go about things and not have to blow all your account because you're trying to grow it. I literally was able to take $100 to $200 in the span of a week. What I want us to do next is simply just process a withdrawal. Now we simply just go to our MT5. So on our MT5, you can clearly see that the account, these are the trades I took on there. You can see clearly I started on the 25th, $100, took a few losses. One thing that makes MT5 really conducive is that if you want to process a withdrawal on MT5, all you need to do is simply click on this icon up here. Once I click on this icon, you can clearly see that they're asking me if I want to deposit or I want to withdraw. It takes me straight to my broker website. Then I go straight into my dashboard. Once I head into my dashboard, it takes me straight to my accounts, and now I can choose to process a withdrawal. So I simply click on withdrawal. I have my MasterCard here. There's mobile money, USDT, Binance Pay, Neteller, Perfect Money, Skrill, Stick Pay, Tether, USDC. It allows you to also do internal transfers as well. So all we will do is, now let's say I'm from Ghana, one of the easiest means of deposits and withdrawals is mobile money. So I simply now click on mobile money. I come here and enter how much I want to withdraw. So 104.5 to 1,581 cedis 39 pesos. So I just click on this. So you can see that in the span of a week, just playing with this $100 account, look at how much I've made on it. I've made more than what I initially deposited. So I now click on confirm. I simply wait to receive the code in my SMS, which is my phone. So we get the code, then we simply process withdrawal by clicking on confirm. MTN mobile money. So I simply click on MTN, click on go to merchants. So as you can clearly see, they've processed the withdrawal. So I go to my MT5 and realize that it has now changed to $100. Now I just wait for the message in my mobile money account. See if I'm gonna get it in time. So there and then, very easy. It falls in my mobile money wallet, as you can clearly see the notification coming. So I can now easily just transfer it to my bank account wherever I want to send it to. If I want to withdraw, purchase some groceries for my home, just buy more internet for my house, I've simply done that easily in the span of just a week on my $100 account. You either want to process daily withdrawals of your profits, or you want to wait till the end of the week to process your withdrawals. As long as you have the discipline to handle them. An overwhelming majority of these principles, I literally had to learn them on my own. I literally had to learn them from experience. The more I tried day trading, the more I actually gained experience on how to approach most of these scenarios on the market, how to actually tackle most of these situations, which is what urged me to make videos like this, to enable you guys also have a proper and a better understanding. So all I want from you is to simply like this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel with the notifications on, so you don't miss any of my content. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on Telegram, KOMMONFOREX on X, KOMMONFOREX on TikTok as well. Use the link in the description to join my trading community on Telegram, where I drop free weekly daily trading signals, trading insights, trading education in there as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. So whatever you learned from this video, let me know in the comment section. Whatever you feel I could have done better, let me also know in the comment section. See you all in the next one.